Circle Y is shown. What is the area of the shaded part of the circle? Okay, so this is tricky because it wants to know the area of the shaded part, but it gives you the central angle for the part that's not shaded. So we need to find the central angle for the shaded part as well. And since there's 360 total degrees, you could take 360 and subtract off that 75. And that would tell you that the central angle for the shaded part is 285 degrees. And we want to find the area of the shaded part. And again, on the EOC, it's going to have a tab that has the formula sheet attached. So you would go to the formula sheet and you would find this formula. The area for a sector of a circle is pi r squared theta over 360. So let's just plug in what we know. We know the radius is 9. We know theta, our central angle, is 285 degrees, all over 360. So depending on the type calculator you have, if you own a TI-30XS and you bring it on the day of testing, which we strongly suggest you bring a calculator, it'll give you the answer in the form that it wants it. So let me show you that. So if you just type it in exactly how it looks, it's going to give you the answer exactly how it wants it to be. But if you're using the computer calculator, it's not going to turn out that pretty for you. So if you use a computer calculator and it gives you a decimal, this is going to be approximately 201.5. And then you would need to go in your calculator and you would need to type each of these in. You would need to do 57 divided by 4 times pi, which is approximately 44.8. Then you would need to do 135 divided by 8 times pi, which is about 53. You would need to do 405 divided by 8 times pi, which is about 159. And I'm totally approximating here because I'm looking for something that's about 201. So I'm just kind of quickly going through and eliminating those. And then when you type 513 divided by 8 times pi, it does give you the 201 that you're looking for. So that's the way that you can get the answer from the calculator if yours gives you a decimal and these are all not in decimal form.